Hey, hello, how are you? How you been, mates? Yeah, so it seems like today we are going to be repairing my wheels. Let's see, let's get into it, guys.
She makes my heart ache when she lies and says she loves me anyway. When you're out around, I can't keep cool, so just stay now. It's safe and sound when I'm with you. Don't run away now. 'Cause baby, you and me, why do we equal the size? Yeah, you're like mine, kryptonite, and I'm your cancer. Every touch.
Guys, okay, yeah, look at this, right? Look at how dirty these wheels are from the inside. That is nasty, fam. Holy. It's a good thing that we're gonna be cleaning these bad boys though, because they're all like that and from the inside.
Every touch slowly kills a little faster. That's alright, we can dance with that together.
Alright, well guys, a little update, right? Christian just came here and we have finished a single wheel here. It's looking quite clean, looking quite nice. Why not, yeah? But the other wheels, right? They'll have to go to us with to the washer. Yeah, and we're going to drive the Beamer to the washer. So essentially, right? We are going driving. Yeah, man. That was good. So we just bought a lottery ticket just for the sake of content, right? And now we're gonna scratch it and tell you what have we got here.
Right.
I think we might have lost this.
This is a fucking scam.
No wins, but it was quite fun, enjoyable. Okay, now we're gonna go to the washing again, actually go and wash our rims, so enjoy that. Are looking good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Well guys, here's a comparison, right? This is the wheel we have cleaned with our hands with the sponges and the soapy water and stuff, and this is the one we just did. Look at how much cleaner the lip is. Holy, it's way better on this one than it is on this one. Yeah, let's turn these bad boys around. Well, from this side they look quite similar, but honestly I think we missed out on this little spot here. But on this wheel you can see it's actually quite clean. Well, if you're not looking at these things, but we can live with those. So honestly, trip was worth it. Very nice. We have started sanding these wheels, we have cleaned them, and now we have started on this process. Currently working on the worst wheel out of all four. Currently going with 80 grit sandpaper here. And well, we'll see how it goes.
With my heart on my sleeve, I let these
guys. Always use protection. Look how good I look.
It's something you can hold on and you can hold forever. Popping that Rico with my people, then we get back to mopping. UGK picked up.
Alright, so we have our wheel that is now sanded down, right? Looking quite well. Hello, cat. Hello. So, I think for tomorrow, I might try and finish all of these. It's now 5 p.m. Hopefully I can finish them by, oh no, just so I don't have to go to sleep at like 3 a.m. or something like that, but yeah. So, there is a thing, right? You needed to cut this little thing right here. And also you need to remove these ways here. As you might have guessed, I did not do it before I cleaned my wheels. But now, if we are looking here, these all rubber thingies are cut. No more weights inside of these. And still, on this one as well. So we are looking good.
For saying we want more. How right off the Greyhound. I'm thinking they thinking that we getting popular. They thinking we popping now. My brother told me to watch out.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we have finished this day. So, hold on. Now all of these 4 wheels are sanded down. Wonderful. Which means that we are going to be painting tomorrow. Very exciting, isn't it? So, let's see you there. Well, welcome back everybody. It's now the next day, but the conditions aren't quite ideal now. See, if we take a look over here, it's very rainy. It has been raining the whole day, so no painting wheels outside, but I have a plan. I made a little spot for me to do it. Here's my setup. Of course, I'm going to be placing these bad boys on the wall so it doesn't get dirty, but that's currently our plan here. So let's go do that, everybody. Let's see how we do. Well, now we are going to be applying Bondo.
Lil' mama in the back, baby boy in my lap. 7 colors in the sky, I've been fucking with the ride. I've been jumping with the tide, riding invisible waves. Getting through critical days, trying to do minimal pain. Seeing the physical gains, lost in the digital fame. Always going with the flow, I ain't cut out for the game. Smile bigger through the lows, I ain't tripping when it rains. Trying to see the rainbow, out the way I stay low. Find a place to make home, drop a hat and that's that. Had to learn to say no, they get mad. I just stick to my mat, oh yeah, that's him again. I know you watching me bubble like
Right, well, this is how the wheels are looking currently. Looking very nice and shiny, looking very metallic. I am very much enjoying the look of them. And yeah, we're done currently for today. So yeah, the plan is to go tomorrow to a tire shop, to put on some brand new all-season tires, and then fit these bad boys on the Beamer. Very exciting.
to know I'm alive, to know that there's always gonna be something more. Blessings to yours. I'll ignore everybody.
Well, it's the next morning, and guys, check out how these wheels look in daylight. You can really start seeing the flake here. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful in person. Every wheel is like that. It's super shiny. And I still have my, what do you call it, clear coat to apply. So yeah, they are going to be even more shiny.
Hey, look, ain't really much in the hood these days. I'm tryna get me paid. 10 racks can really do good these days. Keep my pack so late. This baddie wanna link and talk about dates. She don't know man's face. I know that my links back home wanna see man paid. And I know that's great. Cause I know I'm gonna keep it 100. All down summer, your guy can't flex like me.
So these bad boys are now finished. Check them out. Let's take them to the tire shop and let me show you the finished result.
Checks on my team, got split with my brother, got check on my dude, drop a check for my mother. You know we're all vintage, just gliding, tryna flip through notes, just do my thing. I was out with a brody, just sliding. He ain't never been driving, no license. But being on the slide if we just vibing. I remember back then we were just skyping. Now I'm out OT with a crew flying. Baby girl told me, are you really riding?
Yeah, listen. We fucked up.
Alright guys, this next part of the video might confuse you a little bit. Essentially, we went to the tire shop and everything was going great until we realized that the wheels are a bit too wide for the E36 to be passed off as legal. And we were thinking there for a little while and we decided to go with another set of wheels, which you're gonna see in just a second here, just so we can get MOT on the E36. I'm not sure I personally like how these wheels look. Maybe one day I will change them, but as of now, these are the new wheels. Enjoy. We're currently at the tire shop and I've got these. It's essentially with the previous, they are too wide and they won't pass TO, so change of plans.
I was out with a brody, just sliding. He ain't never been driving, no license. But being on the slide if we just vibing. I remember back then we were just skyping. Now I'm out OT with a crew flying. Baby girl told me, are you really riding?